What's up YouTube? I'm Edwin. In today's video, I'm going to introduce to you something that everyone would like to learn. And what was it? Smartphone photography and videography. I am not impressed that smartphones like that can get you a cinematic shot and some good pictures that has the same quality as a DSLR camera. Now, photography can be categorized into leisure, formal, and commercial. So let's break it down. Here's a few examples. Selfies and family photos can be categorized as leisure photography. A commercial photo for a product like Coca-Cola that will get you paid. Now I'm gonna show you some pictures of my family trips. This picture is shot with an iPhone 7 at Padang Pasir Kelebak during a family trip to Malacca. This bunch of sharp-like cactus plant in the middle of the desert caught our attention, and that spot looks perfect with a touch of soft clouds above the desert. We were mesmerized with the scene and decided to capture this moment. The next picture was shot at the same location where my brother was strolling down slowly from the top of a knoll like a nomad. This was an interesting moment to capture, as he doesn't usually like to pose for any photo shoot. This picture was taken at a Formosa resort during a family trip where there were parades and performance, followed by fireworks to close out the performance of the day. These family photos was taken while I'm gathering with my auntie, uncle, grandfather and grandmother. Take note that all pictures are not shot using a DSLR camera but an iPhone that has the quality of DSLR camera. Food photography is more for sharing of interest on social media by capturing nice photo which is served to you. Group photos are more for reminding you of a group of friends that you have met during a camp. Good question. We usually take a picture to capture a moment that could remind us of a happy memory that we're having at the moment. You enjoy your tasty food and you enjoy the chit-chat with your families or friends. You enjoy the beautiful scene that you are seeing right now. So that's the most common reasons why do people usually take photos. Question of the day. Would you replace your DSLR camera with a smartphone that has the same quality as a DSLR camera but is less costly to invest on? Do you want to improve your photography skills to show off your photos? Now tell me in the comment sections down below. In my next video, I am going to share with you the 3 basic photography concepts that may either improve or break the quality of your image based on the skill that you have applied. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon down below so that you can get notified for my next upload. I'm Edwin. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.